Hey there world, it is me, HLModTech, and today I was at a professional development and there was a cool flippity deck with a spinner that picked a winner. So I came up with this lesson that I'm going to show you on the screen. So the lesson is based on this sweet flippity deck where it picks winners, and what I wanted was for students to submit a Thingiverse print to me with their first name and last initial, and then they have a chance to win the free 3D print. Now, they were not in school today, so as you know with most students, when you're not in school, you're not going to be looking at Google Classroom to see a print, but I did have 2 students who did, and as promised, right now we are going to do the spin to see who this week's winner is. So Jessica and Russell submitted their links with the free 3D print before the 4 p.m. deadline. So now let's get a little drum roll please going, and when I click the spinner it will spin, and let's see who the winner is. Bam! The winner is Jessica. Now, thank you guys all for participating. Maybe next week when we have more students and we're doing it during a school day, we'll even get more people sharing cool 3D prints. My goal, of course, is to get all of you guys participating and checking out the amazing things that are available on Thingiverse for us to print, and just to have fun as we interact with each other. So hey, thanks again, Jessica and Russell, for filling out the form and watching the video, and the rest of you stay tuned next week for our next Free Print Friday project. Have a great day, have a great weekend, everyone.